In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Canva design into your Wix website for a seamless integration that showcases your creative projects beautifully. Let's get started by first visiting Canva's website. You'll begin at the home page where you can log in with your credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're on Canva, navigate to your existing designs and select the one you wish to embed into your Wix site. After choosing your Canva design, look towards the upper right-hand corner of your screen for the Share button and give it a click. This will open a drop-down menu with several sharing options. Since you're looking for the Embed code option, you'll want to click on See All to view all possible sharing methods. Once you see the list of options, click on Embed. This presents you with an HTML embed code. Look for the Copy button underneath this code and click it to copy the embed HTML to your clipboard. At this point, your Canva design is prepared to be added to Wix. Now, switch over to your Wix website where you manage and edit your site through the Wix editor interface. Here, look for the Add button on the left side of the editor. Click on it to see various elements you can add to your site. From the list, locate Embed Code and give it a click. You'll then be prompted with different embedding options. Choose Embed HTML. This is where you'll paste the HTML code you copied from Canva. Simply click into the box that appears and paste the embed code directly from your clipboard. After pasting the code, take a moment to ensure everything looks as expected. And if you're satisfied, click on the Update button to apply the changes to your site. This action integrates your Canva design seamlessly into your Wix page, maintaining its appearance and interactive features. With your Canva design now embedded, you can preview the page to see it in action and ensure it displays correctly in the context of your website's layout. This process not only enhances your site's visual appeal, but also allows you to continuously update your Canva designs without needing to redo the embedding process. That's all it takes to embed a Canva code into your Wix website. By following these simple steps, you've made your site more dynamic and personalized with your unique designs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on improving your website.